Hey, it's Kate with WTI. I am so excited to share with you this gorgeous jumpsuit that I have completely fallen in love with.
This velvet long sleeve jumpsuit by BerryGo is just absolutely stunning. I wore this recently for a night out, for a concert, and it was the perfect outfit because I felt so glamorous, but also I was extremely comfortable, which is the best of both worlds. I have it here in this gorgeous navy blue, and I just think that color is so vibrant in the sun or in the light. That velvet is really, really gorgeous. And I have it in a size small, which I find fits true to size. I'm normally a small or a size 4, and I find that this was just so incredibly comfy. I am obsessed with that velvet. It is so soft, so gorgeous, and I really appreciate the thickness of this material. It was in no way see-through, but I actually wore this on kind of a warmer night, and it wasn't too thick. It wasn't too hot, so I found that to be really nice. It has a little snap detail, which makes it easy to take off, which of course you need to do when you use the bathroom. So I really appreciated that touch. It also has an adjustable belt, which is really nice as well. And it has pockets, which is just the absolute best. So I feel like there are so many details that they thought of with this jumpsuit. It's a nice stretchy material. I could roll up the sleeves if I needed to. I really appreciate the attention to detail.
This jumpsuit makes me feel so glamorous. It is perfect for a dressy, formal occasion, perfect for a night out. It is so beautiful in all of its details, gorgeous in the color of this velvet, but also I get to be super comfy in it. So that is just a total win-win. I am completely in love with it, and I highly recommend checking it out if you need to feel glamorous and beautiful and also comfy. But that's just my point of view.